Okay, so hi YouTubers. We've got this Coleman Powermate 6250 generator. I live over here in Florida, and from time to time hurricanes come through and we lose power. This is actually made in 2004. So the last time I used it was back in 2004, and it sat around for quite a little while. The last hurricane that came through was Matthew, and we had a little bit of power problem. I came out expecting to pull the cord and get the generator start up. Well, last time that it actually ran, I had a little bit of problem with it, and it cut off. Didn't need it any longer, so I just put it away. So at a certain point, I decided to go ahead and start taking a look at it, and realized that, thought maybe the carburetor had sat for quite a little while, and went ahead and ordered a new carburetor through the internet. Put the new carburetor on there and tried to pull it, and still got nothing. Seemed like the engine had good compression. Checked spark was good. Went on the internet and actually started doing a little bit of research on this generator itself. Got a lot of good suggestions for people, tried them all. One of them was the oil sensor plug. That might have been bad. Replaced that, still nothing. Then I actually went on a video and watched this one gentleman and had made a suggestion. One of the sessions was that the valve cover, which is located, it's a little hard to see because the shroud, you can't actually take it off, said to remove that. So once I removed it and looked at it, I realized that the push rod had actually come off of the rocker arm. I don't know if it's a problem with the vibration or this model of engine, but the screw had actually vibrated itself off and the push rod had come out. So I went ahead and put the push rod back in place, did a little bit of adjustment on it, and sure as heck, once I decided to go ahead and try to pull it and put the on switch on, which I'm going to demonstrate now. It fired right up. So all you people out there that actually are trying, that have either the same Briggs and Stratton engine, that are having problem, if they've gone everything, check that problem out. See if that might be your main problem. I'd like to thank everybody for posting the videos on this generator. Y'all have a good one. Let me know if this video is helpful.